I just want to say firstly, congratulations. And for those of you backstage, it's not an easy job to come out here and talk about yourself and, you know, show off your talent, so to speak. तो आसान काम नहीं होता है. So I think everybody should clap for all of the contestants over here. And yeah, and thank you for having us here. We had a great time asking you strange questions, and you all gave very sweet answers. So thank you.
You know, it actually exactly what she said. It takes a lot of guts to do this, and I keep seeing this every year in Times of India. People winning, and okay. By the way, this is the first time I'm meeting a Mr. World, so I have to tell you, it's a really proud moment. No, honestly, he's from India and he won Mr. World. It's a really, really big moment, and tomorrow any of you can go on and do that, you know, and even more. So it's a great, great thing, and I mean, kudos to all the parents over here, yeah, for encouraging your children. That's really good. Really, really good. I'm sure some boyfriend, girlfriend types are also there, so even y'all, well done. But अभी famous हो गए, छोड़ देंगे तुम लोग को. No, I'm kidding. Kidding, Ali, I'm kidding. You have a boyfriend, Riya? What, really? मतलब what? Does he know this?
My mom is sitting right there. She will kill me if I say anything.
Auntie,
So you got the answer then.
Auntie. Your mom is too cool and chill. You proud of her? I think you all should be proud of all the children that are even backstage. And thank you for having us over here. Thank you, Mr. Vineet Jain. Pleasure. Thank you, guys.
It's a pleasure indeed to have both of them, Varun Dhawan and Alia Bhatt. Zordar taaliyan for both of them. Their movie.
Sorry.
Please.
यहाँ आए हैं तो एक बार तो कहना पड़ेगा. बदीना की दुल्हनिया releases in a theatre near you guys tomorrow on the 10th of March. Please go give it lots of love. Thank you.
Also to all the winners over here and everyone in the audience, Times of India is giving out free tickets for tomorrow. You have to do it. There are only 200-300 people, you can do it.